Hi guys, Mr. Brosnan here, just giving you a quick video of how to navigate through Teams. So as you can see here, I'm on my general thing here, which you'll have, which is what you're sending posts through. So here's the post, okay, section where you can, this is where I want you to send posts and make discussion. If you go into files, that gives you obviously the class materials and some of the resources that I've been sending out to you. And then obviously if we go into assignments, that will show you, if it loads, all the assignments that are available to be turned in. Okay, so you can see there we've actually got a couple of guys that actually done some work, which is good. Okay, so what you will notice about my tabs is that I've got these things called channels, right? You should have a similar layout, all right, but you may not have these channels downwards yet. Okay, what you need to do is you need to unhide them. All right, so why you need to unhide them? Okay, before you go and complete these assignments, all right, I actually want you to look through, okay, what's actually going on. Okay, so again, we've got a whole lot of guys asking in here about stuff. I'd prefer you didn't, all right, and I probably might just turn that off because I want the lessons to be seen. Okay, so if we scroll up the page here, all right, this is the lesson for the properties of acids, all right, that will correlate with the assignment that I've sent out for the, that requires you to look at the those SciPad sheets with the key terms, properties of acids and the properties of bases. Okay, so what I said, okay, watch a video clip with my voice overlay about what the properties of acids and bases are. Okay, then complete the assignments tab. Right, so you go back to general and on assignments, or click assignments on the side if you've got that. All right, that should be the first lesson. Okay, and I've got that due for Wednesday the 15th of April at the end of the day. Okay, I'm going to add just another little quiz thing in here just to just so that you've got a little extra exercise to do there. Okay, obviously you've got the second lesson is the pH scale. So again, it's me talking about the pH scale and the uses of it, and then obviously I've sent you a SciPad page or pages expecting you to do the stuff on pH. Okay, so that's the second lesson, and then the third lesson, right, you can see I'm just going to open that up a bit more. Okay, this is going to coincide with the page that I've sent out for you to test pH. All right, so what you need to do first is you need to go to these links. These are interactive links. Oops. So you can't really open with, I can't open with Chrome. Okay, so you're going to have to probably copy and paste them into Internet Explorer if you can't get the Flash player to working. Okay, Internet Explorer is a little bit more user friendly in that respect. Okay, so you need to click into that. All right, I'll copy the link. Okay, and we'll go to Internet Explorer. Okay, and let's go. Okay, so this here is a way that you're going to be able to test different substances using litmus paper and all sorts. Okay, so if you go into here, all right, just talks about what acids are. Go next, keeps talking, gives you an idea what you need to do for this activity. Okay, and now we're ready to begin. So we're going to test all these three substances first. Okay, so we've got hydrochloric acid. Clearly it's an acid, okay, but we need to know about different indicators. Okay, the only one that we don't have here is universal indicator, which is on the other interactive. Okay, so we test it with blue litmus paper. Obviously it goes red because acids go red. Save it to our data table. Okay, so now this gives you some information that you could write down in your book to give you some properties of acids, neutral substances and bases. Okay, we tested red litmus paper. We should expect that to stay red because acids turn litmus paper red, and then we've got to save it to our data table. Okay, and keep doing that. All right. Phenolphthalein, which is another type of indicator, it will stay colorless. Okay, save it to our data table again. All right, so there we go. And then test it with metal, which should fizz because it's going to produce hydrogen gas. Okay, and then so there's our test that we've done. Okay, so that could be helpful for you to actually complete the worksheet that I've set out. Okay, you go through and test all these other substances, then they provide you up here some other substances to work with. Okay, so you get more of an idea of how that works. If we look at the other tab, okay, the other tab is a bit more simple. All right. So this one here just looks at using universal indicator strips. Okay, we would usually use those as solution in the lab. Okay, again, all you do is just drag it to here. Oh, try that again. Drag it to there. All right, obviously it's got a pH that's around about 5, okay, according to that. So you go up to here. All right, and so that's 1 for the shampoo, and we check it up 5. All right, it may be slightly different depending on what's going on there. Okay, 2, test that. Right, we look at the pH there. It's probably 3. Okay, and you go up here and go click that up to 3. When you finish that, all right, check your answers, and they'll give you a roundabout whether or not you're right. If you're sort of 1 out, okay, that's not an issue. All right, so that's another one of those tools to use to test for pH. Okay, so these are the 3 lessons that I expected you to go through in that first week that we get back to school. So from the 15th of April, okay, that's a Wednesday. So this would be Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If you want to go ahead and do them beforehand, not a problem. Okay. I hope that helps to clear up some confusion. Thanks very much.